Yo, what's up? We are in the Padma area, just next to the Mandira Hotel. Unfortunately, beaches are still remains closed, so we're gonna show you a little bit how it looks like around Jalan Legian, Padma in Legian. Yeah. Meanwhile, let's see. Meanwhile, this is the entrance to the Bali Mandira. Why it's so bright over here? All right, so here is the some photo session next to the closed restaurant. Not so bad spot for the photo session, by the way. I don't know. It's something what I don't getting maybe. Meanwhile, that's how it looks. The situation here. There's the warung makan, and here's something open for takeaway, obviously. And also here is the entrance to the Padma Hotel in Legian. All hotels who was open already long time ago, they are still open. That's actually nothing changed for the hotels. However, well, even this hotel next to beach, you have no access to go to the beach. So that's the difference. And always straight is the Jalan Legian Padma Street. That's how it looks, the situation. This is the intersection where is the mini mart, is the garlic lane, and here is the Poser pub, and we are heading into Padma Utara. Somewhere over there is the Y bar. Unfortunately, it's quiet here. All the businesses are closed. Actually, they was closed even before the current limitations, but now even more. Really not much is happening around. This one, Legian Snacks, the contractant for lease. Used to be some restaurant. Unfortunately, everything is gone.
Okay, so right behind me, this one is the Y bar, and this road is Jalan Padma Utara and famous for the Aussie tourists. You know, when normal time, this road is, used to be packed with the tourists from Australia. Let's see how it is inside.
As Winnie said, it's exactly like that. However, the times when there's so many Aussie fellas here, it's just a memory, unfortunately, guys. So sad. That's how it looks, the situation. Y bar is open, takeaway only. And that's how it looks, the peaceful life. Some dogs strolling around. Hotel, Seasons bar. I will show you slowly 360 degree how it looks, the situation. There's some bakso seller around. Also, I don't know why I have a feeling as people watching at me now. A little bit weird feeling to compare to the last time when I make a vlog here. But that's how it looks, the situation. Here is some family strolling also. And well, 98% of businesses here are just simply closed. Okay, we're back to the Poser pub and the Padma Street. We're gonna show you how it looks, the life on Padma right now. I think I don't need to say it doesn't look like it's busy because it's not, obviously. However, yeah, some people driving around time to time. Some kids running here. Last time here was some renovation. Now they opened the new shop. I mean, yeah, they finished construction, but I don't know if they open, if they can open. However, that's how it looked like. And here is the famous corner of the garlic lane. So basically, if you're gonna go straight, it's the garlic lane and it's the shopping stroll street. So a lot of shops and stuff like this. I make already few vlogs, so if you're interested, you can just type garlic lane on my YouTube search and you can watch it. Meanwhile, let's focus on the life on the Padma Street. By the way, check this out, this Jeep looks pretty decent. Like to watching the fancy cars around. Some tourists working around, not so bad. And here is the Casa Padma Suits Bali. As you see, quite many cars, so seems busy. This is like a residential area, somehow like a condominiums. Bali don't have much condos, but you can find some sort of apartments like this. This is local family living over there, I think. Oh no, it's actually some also suits. Hotel stuff like this. The Quicksilver is already gone. Some barber shop, massage, tattoos, wood fire pizza. Oh, everything is closed, unfortunately. Doesn't look. Here is some building for rent. This looks like a house actually, but maybe something different, I'm not sure. Guardian Pharmacy here is also closed somehow. Well, obviously not so many people around in this area. Here is supposed to be a some bar. Maybe some of you are familiar what was there. Unfortunately also closed.
Oh, that was a Summer Queen.
Summer Queen, oh yes, see the
when it was normal time, it was packed of people.
Full of people, same like this hotel long time ago also was packed of people, but unfortunately not anymore. The hotel is open. What's the name of the hotel? The local Legian, okay. And that's how it looks. Peaceful, very peaceful life. Yeah, but some people strolling around, I mean driving around time to time. And now all the shops here, as you see the buildings, that's usually like merchandise shops and accessory shops, stuff like this. Unfortunately all of them they are closed, literally all. And at the front, when you see already the Circle K shop, this is the Legian Street, so we are heading into that direction.
Oh, this one, the famous, you see, Momo Steakhouse Bar and Grill OC on.
Nice. Sounds good. Normally I just wanna have a steak now, unfortunately not possible. So sad. I mean, somewhere takeaway, maybe in different restaurant, but eating steak takeaway is like, maybe I'm not gonna say to compare to anything, but you know what I mean, guys. Some dishes you have to just eat hot on the plate, straightforward from the grill. You cannot just take away. Yo, what's up, doggos? That's actually different dogs. That's not Bali dogs, by the way. And that's how it looks there. Situation, we are heading to the corner with Legian Street. We will see how is the situation. There is some couple sitting outside the Circle K. Here is some local warung, the first warung open. Well, obviously that's how it looks, the situation. Alright, and this is already Legian Street. If you are heading there, straight where I'm facing the camera is Legian, and if you are going into this direction will be a Semignac, and somebody have a big bike here, the white one. And also this street everywhere around, there are so many shops and businesses like this, unfortunately.
Alright guys, yeah, I know that we are doing the same vlog, I mean like the area over and over again, and then it's kind of repetition. I know it must be boring for you, but yeah, nothing that we can do unless we didn't make it vlog. We didn't make any vlog at all, but yeah, we're just showing you how it is, right? Alright guys, I think that's all our video today. Just small walk, yeah, around Padma area. I know that most of you used to be here when a normal time it was, you know, packed of people, and now it's almost more than 1.5 years. It's just remain like this, deserted.
Yeah, so the situation looks like this, and we don't know how long it's gonna take. I hope so. 2 days more, few days more and finish, but we will have to wait. And meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and
see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See you. Take care.